this tutorial we will show you how to create a profile in MindExpress 5 and get started. Start MindExpress 5 by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. When MindExpress is started, you will see that you can choose between an existing profile or create a new one. You want to create a new profile, so click on the plus symbol. Here you can fill in your name. If you don't have a keyboard, you can always call up an on-screen keyboard anywhere in MindExpress 5. Then choose the voice that suits you best. You can choose between a female or male voice and whether it should be an English or American voice. Press the play button to hear a sample of the voice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If you already have a MindExpress profile, then you can import it. If you don't yet have a MindExpress 5 profile, you can go to the next step, your profile picture. You can choose an avatar image. You can also choose the folder icon for a saved image, or take a photo with the camera icon. Once you have chosen your profile picture, you have finished. You can now start your profile by clicking on your profile picture. The first time you start your profile, you will be asked which default page sets you want to start with. Choose whether you want to start with symbols, text communication, or both. You can also select games, educational exercises, or apps. Next to every page set, you'll see a brief description. This makes it easier for you to choose which files you want to import. You can also select or deselect everything per category. You may also have noticed, but you also get a number showing you how many page sets you will import per category. You can always adjust your choices later on. To finish the import, click on the green Import button. You are now ready to start with MindExpress 5.
Hi.